Hello friends, welcome to Java Swing tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of file filter. In this part 2 we are going to look about the example that we are going to create in the next video, which means a preview of Eclipse Demo that we are going to see in the next video. Now let's see what are all the class involved and how we will proceed with the demo in the next video. So this is what we learned in the part 1. So we talked about file filter, and by this time you are aware that this file filter have two abstract methods, and we can extend from this file filter class and override accept as well as get a description. These two methods are called by the file filter dialog to know whether it needs to display a file or folder by making call to accept, and the file filter will make a call to get description to display the descriptive string in the combo box. So how do we link this file filter with our JFileChooser? So we will create instance of JFileChooser, then we will make a call to add choosable filter. So this is what we saw in the previous video. Now we will talk about the example that we are going to create in the next video. Our example needs to filter two files. One is a jar file and another one is a lab file. That means we will create two classes. One is jar file filter and another one is lib file filter. So we will create these two class files, jar file filter and lib file filter, and these two classes extends from file filter class. So that means since the file filter is an abstract, in both these jar file filter and lib file filter we will override two methods. One is accept and another one is get description. Same goes here, accept and get description. Then we will create JFileChooser. After that we will make a call to so since we have jar file filter and lab file filter ready, so after creating JFileChooser we will make a call to add choosable file filter, then we will pass our instances here. So what happens when the file filter dialog, JFileChooser is displayed? In the file filter combo box, by default it will display all files. Once user clicks, it will show jar file as well as lib file. So these two informations are displayed through the get description. Then accept file will help in filtering the files. Suppose if user selected jar file and if current filter is jar file, whatever directory they navigate, it will display only the jar files. And if they switch to lib file, when they navigate to different folder, it will show only the lib file. So that's how we are going to code. So these two will come from get description, and how to filter and show the file is defined by the accept method. So we will override accept as well as get description in the next video for both the jar file filter and lib file filter. Then we will set those filters. Okay, I kept here not in the constructor will be empty. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching.